So what is this telling you here? This is telling you here that this is commutative in nature. When you find the product of two fractions, that is commutative. That means if even you change the order, that doesn't matter. Got it or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Mom, can you go to the next exercise?
Yes. So is everyone done with these? Try these. So this is page number, put the heading, this is page number 28. 28, these are two small triaries that we are solving now. So 1 by 3 times 4 by 5 we are solving. Aryaman beta? Aryaman bache?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
After this, if you tell me, no, ma'am, the concept is not clear to me, I won't take your doubts, beta. Not at all.
Ma'am, I was getting my tuition book, ma'am.
So why didn't you sit with it when the class was starting?
Mom, all my tuition book is just right there. Right there.
What, ma'am? What are you saying?
Okay, everyone, this is 1 by 3 times 4 by 5.
Wait, ma'am, student, ma'am, can I answer the pen?
अभी देखो इधर बेटा 1 by 3 times 4 by 5 and 2 by 3 times 1 by 5. They're asking us to solve this. First of all, tell me, can this 4 be simplified with any of the denominators?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Can this 1 be simplified any of the denominators?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
That means the only task left here now is multiplying the corresponding numerators. 4 times 1 is 4 and 3 times 5 is 15. That's the answer.
Ma'am.
Got it, bache log?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, tomorrow we have science class, right?
Tomorrow is Eid, Rajay. It's an off tomorrow. Although Eid, as per calendar, it was on 22nd. So 22nd was a Sunday and there was a holiday on that day. Because all my helps, they are on off tomorrow.
Yes, ma'am.
So it is an off tomorrow for classes, okay?
Okay, ma'am. Forever, like every next year also.
Next year?
Nothing, ma'am, nothing.
Obviously, probably.
Beta, you go to the website, holidays are declared there already.
I did not find that. That's the reason.
Tabs के अंदर notices में there is holiday का calendar पूरा.
I'll try, ma'am. I'll try to find it.
अच्छा, अभी after this topic, I'll show you where it is. So now can this 2 be cut with any of these denominators here?
No, ma'am.
Can
No
this one
denominator.
cut? Can this one is already in the simplest form? No, you cannot cut that. So that means the answer is 2 by 15, right or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, why is there a ratio signal between them? The ratio sign?
Come again, Bitu.
Ma'am, why is there a ratio sign between them?
That's not a ratio sign, but a ratio sign is like this colon you called it. You call it ratios wala sign. No, this is not ratio wala sign. This is a semicolon.
Yes, ma'am. It's a semicolon.
Right. It is actually dividing two different questions. No, they have not numbered question 1 and 2. It's just that
Ma'am,
they have
if you
given you
say
two different
small, it
questions.
looks like a colon.
Right. Okay. Now we are solving next part. 8 by 3 times 4 by 7. Abhi, most of the students, when they find this, oh, they have got the same factor, no, 4, they quickly cut this, which is very wrong. A numerator can never be simplified with a numerator, beta.
Okay, ma'am.
So you will take a numerator and consider if that can be simplified with any of the denominators. Can 8 be simplified with 3 and 7?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Now can this 4 be simplified with 3 or 7?
Ma'am,
Priyansh, your camera is not aligned in a right way, beta. I cannot see you.
Wait, ma'am. Give me a second, ma'am. Let me off it and like once.
Areman, you tell me, can this 4 be
Fine, ma'am.
simplified with 3 and
no,
7?
ma'am. No, ma'am.
That means only multiplying the corresponding numerators and denominators is left with us. So 8 4s are is 32 and 7 times 3 is 21. That's your answer. Got it, everyone, or not?
Got it, ma'am.
You have to solve this in your classwork also, beta. And I want this submission.
But should I just submit you this right now, like in a second? Homework.
Classwork all together in the form of a PDF in WhatsApp group, beta.
Ma'am, I'm just sending the homework quickly. And I will forget
Acha,
it.
you didn't send me the previous classes homework abhi tak bhi?
Ma'am, I thought you started, so I thought I'll send it after the class.
Koi baat nahi, I'll call your mama today.
I'll send it.
So 3 by 4 times 2 by 3. Abhi, Areman, you tell me, can this 3 be simplified with any of the denominators?
Ma'am, I can do it 3.
Yes.
1.
Right. So we'll cut both the 3s and we'll write 1. Rehansh, you tell me, can this 2 be simplified with any of the denominators?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
2 will become 1 and 4. Simplified by 4.
Huh? Simplified by
2.
Yes,
Ma'am,
the
two
common
simplified
factor
by
is 2. It can be simplified by 4 and the common factor is 2. So if you
Ma'am.
divide this 2 by 2, you get 1. If you divide this 4 by 2, you
1
get
by
2.
2. Ma'am, 1 by 2.
So the final answer is 1 by 2. Got it, everyone, or not?
Got it,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Give me a second.
So we are starting with exercise 2.2 now. That's a very simple question that you have here. Question number 1. Everyone, eyes on screen. Areman, I cannot see you, beta. This is
Ma'am,
saying 1 by 4 of 1 by 4 is the A part. I'll take this A part only right now. 1 by 4 of A part I am solving. 1 by 4 of 1 by 4. So I have told you people that of means multiplication, right? So 1 by of multiply 1 by of. 1 by 4, sorry. 1 by 4 of 1 by 4. My 1 by of 4. 1 by 4 of 1 by 4. So that means 1 by 4 multiplied by 1 by 4. So what is the final answer? Ariman, tell me. Ariman, you are muted, beta.
1 by 8.
Oh. Is 4 into 4 8?
I mean, no, ma'am, no. Ma'am, I mean 12. No, I mean 16. I mean 16.
Ariman, you need to work on your tables, beta.
Ma'am, I was.
Okay, Rehansh, you tell me the answer for next part, beta. 1 by 4 of 3 by 5.
3 by 20.
Ma'am, I was distracted on another question, ma'am. I didn't know.
Good. Priyansh, you tell me what is 1 by 4 of 5, 4 by 5.
1 by 4 or 4 by 3.
Right.
Yes, okay. 1 4, so 1 4 4 3. 4 3 is 12.
Ma'am,
4 by 5, ma'am.
I'll write it for you. 1 by 4 of 4 by 3.
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
tell
4
me.
by 12.
No, ma'am. 1
Ma'am,
by
I'm
5.
done. Ma'am, I'm done.
Then you have to simplify that, right?
Yes, 1 by 4 of 4 by 3. No, so this 4
Ma'am, I
will
said
get cut.
1 by 15.
So the answer is 1 by 3, beta ji.
No, ma'am. First it will be
Ma'am, I
1
found
by
the answer of B.
1 by 12.
found
Then you simplify that.
I found the answer B, ma'am.
So that's not a guaranteed answer. You have to first show that step. I will just
So
say,
1 by 3 is the answer, okay?
ma'am, in the
Ma'am, I
final
found
when
the
you
answer.
simplify it.
Ariman, for which part do you know the answer?
Ma'am, B, ma'am.
Tell me.
Ma'am, 3 by 20.
Good. So the second part for question number 1, you will do it as your homework, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
So there are 3 parts of it, 1 by 7 of 2 by 9, 1 by 7 of 6 by 5 and 1 by 7 of 3 by 10, which you need to solve, okay? Okay, now this is question number 2 that we are solving.
Mom, just can you write the homework in the group once?
Yes.
That doing a
Mom,
homework.
can you scroll up once?
You want me to scroll to what, beta? Question number 1.
Yes, ma'am.
Wait, to do that later, no, leave some space for it. Let me quickly finish this up.
Yes, ma'am.
So in this question, they are asking you to multiply and reduce to lowest form. So 2 by 3 times, this is a mixed fraction given to you, 2 by 3. So obviously this cannot be solved like this, okay? Proper method is you need to change this mixed fraction into improper one first. So this I have written as 2 by 3. Multiply, this I will be making it into improper one. 2 2s are 4. That's 2 by 3. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. So 8 by 3. Now, can I, Priyansh, look at on screen here. Can I simplify 8 and 2 here?
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
You can't.
Priyansh, can we cut these two numerators?
No, ma'am. Ma'am, the numerators. One
Please,
should be
because,
numerator and one should be denominator.
What are you doing, Priyansh, beta?
ma'am, you can't. But you can do
So-
the denominator.
Ariman, can I cut this 3 with this 3?
No.
Yes, ma'am.
Why? Because both are denominator. Yes, we can cut this.
Yeah, ma'am, we can.
Priyansh, we can only cut or simplify a numerator with a denominator, beta. Neither two numerators can be cut nor two denominators can be cut. Right?
Right,
So that means only thing left here is to multiply corresponding numerators and denominators. So the answer will be 16 by 9.
Ma'am, it is
Ariman,
1
clear
7 by
with the
9.
table, no? 8 2s are 16 and 3 3s are 9.
Yes, ma'am. Wait,
But
ma'am.
you don't write
Ma'am.
16 by.
Okay, ma'am.
Clear everyone or not?
Yeah, ma'am.
Always remember you cannot cut two numerators. You cannot
Only in
cut two denominators.
multiplication, right?
Yes, you can only multiply them. Okay, so do this part. Fifth one.
The entire second one, please.
No, only the fifth part you need to do and write the answer in the chat box. Arav, beta, when you see the recording, you can also put the answer in the chat box.
Ma'am, but you were confused with chat box.
Comment section, obviously.
Okay, ma'am. So we have to multiply, ma'am.
क्या आर्यमान बेटा?
We have to multiply, you know, ma'am.
I don't know. You have to check if anything can be simplified, simplify them first and then multiply. If nothing can be simplified, simply multiply the corresponding numerator and denominator. Write the answer in the chat box quickly.
3, 5. Okay. Ma'am, I had a question. If you can't like simplify numerator and denominator, like N and N. So can we not do also D after division? So,
Abhi, I'm checking the answers in the chat box. Incorrect, Aryavat.
But ma'am,
The answer is incorrect. If you are doing for fifth one, that's incorrect. I don't know which part are you
wait,
saying.
Mom, I'm confused now. Mom, you said
Ma'am.
numerator. Let's do it short, Mama. N multiplied by N you can't simplify, and D multiplied by D you can't simplify it. So we can do N multiplied by D we can simplify, right?
Beta, N and D can be simplified. N multiply D, nahi, N and D can be simplified.
Okay, ma'am.
Any N can be simplified with any D if there is a multiplication ka sign in them.
Just do 17 or 17 and 5, 17, 5 I can just quickly simplify.
Riyansh, beta,
Yes,
answer
ma'am.
is correct, bacha.
You can only simplify when it's in the table, right?
Beta, if they have got some common factor or they come on this come on some common table, so they can be simplified with that common factor. Ariman, beta, have you solved this fifth part only?
Yes, ma'am. I got it wrong.
This is what I've asked you to solve.
Oh.
Which part had you solved?
Ma'am, I just did the fifth part. No, ma'am. I mean, I thought you were asking the fifth question.
Fifth question. Why would I ask you question when we are discussing second
Ma'am, I
question?
got confused with fifth part and fifth question, ma'am. I got confused.
I've just now explained first part of question number 2. No, Ariman, beta. Where are you lost sometimes?
Sorry, ma'am.
Ma'am, can we do the third question?
Ma'am, I sent the actual answer. Right.
Now that is correct. Good. But Ariman, beta. Mostly you don't listen to the instructions properly. That is why you go for a different thing. Wrong
No,
thing
ma'am.
you solve. That is why you get answers incorrect. Otherwise, you can do it very nicely, beta. Because this time, without even me helping you, you have got this answer correct, no? Here, dekho, Priyansh. Priyansh, have you solved this fifth part only or some other part you have solved? Which part have you solved?
Ma'am, I think he did the third part.
Priyansh, you're muted.
On
Yes,
the
still
third
muted.
question's fifth part.
But then what are you people doing? Where are you people lost? Why don't you listen to the instructions properly? Do this fifth part quickly. I need to move on.
Okay, ma'am, quickly do it because it's.
Ma'am, I already done it, ma'am. So what should I do? I already did the second one now.
So after this fifth part, we'll be discussing question number 3 now. And how to do this? This is again like fairly simplifying the mixed fraction and then multiplying it with the other fraction that you have, the proper one that you have. 2 by 5 times 5 fours are is 20. 20 plus 1 is 21. 21 by 4 is the improper one. Now you need to check if you can simplify anything. Can this 2 be simplified with any of the denominators?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, with 4.
But yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Ariman, ध्यान से observe before saying no. देखो, this is 2 and this is 4. No, so it will be 2. Now tell me, Ariman, can this 21 be simplified with any of the denominators?
This
Five or
time, no. This time is no.
Ma'am,
Good.
because
So
of
what
the
is
five
the
there.
final answer now?
Ma'am, the numerator would be 21 and the denominator would be 10.
Very good. Priyansh,
Ma'am,
bolo
it has to
beta.
be simplified. Okay, ma'am.
The previous one.
Yes, ma'am. 3-1. The first, second question.
अच्छा चलो, let's discuss this now. Question क्या था? That was 1/3 times 15/8, right?
Ma'am.
Abhi, this 1 is already in the simplest form. No, it cannot be cut with anything.
Ma'am, but I till
Let's do it with this 15. Let's do it with this 15. Can 15 be simplified with 3 or 8?
Yes, ma'am, it can be simplified with 3.
Ma'am, 3.
Okay. So if
Five.
if it is, what is the common factor here in 3 and 15?
5.
Mom, 3. Mom, 3.
You're saying 5 is 3 on the table of 5 beta.
No, ma'am.
So फिर दोनों कौन से common table पे आते हैं? This is what you need to think.
Ma'am, 5
और
के common table में आता है.
बेटा 3 के टेबल में आते हैं. 3 5 के टेबल में कहाँ आता है राजी?
Okay, ma'am, I understand.
So ये दोनों 3 के टेबल में आते हैं. अब इसको 3 से डिवाइड करेंगे, you will get 1. इसको 3 से डिवाइड करेंगे, you will get 5. 5 times 1 is 5 and 8 times 1 is 8.
Ma'am, but 1/8 can be done by 1.
Come again.
Ma'am, 1 can be simplified by 8. So 8 should be also 1. So the answer will be 5/1.
1 can be simplified with 8. 1 को 1 के टेबल से कट करोगे 1 ही आएगा, और 8 को 1 के टेबल से कट करोगे 1 8 is 8 only ना बेटा, तो कट के 8 ही आएगा. जब भी 1 आ जाए ना तो उसको कुछ नहीं कर सकते, उसको आगे सिंप्लीफाई नहीं कर सकते. 1 is already in the simplest form.
Mom, it's a prime number.
Oh, 1 is not a prime number, Riyansh.
Actually, mom, it's neutral. It's neither prime nor composite.
So it's a unique number. Neutral नहीं कहते उसे, unique
Yes,
number.
ma'am.
Abhi, let's do this next part. We are solving this 5th part. Abhi, question number 3. मैं लिख रही हूँ, pay attention. Part 5th, I want you people to solve.
I'm done.
Done. Abhi, change this into improper one. What is the answer, Priyansh?
Yeah, the 6 by third one into improper, 5th part into improper. Ma'am, 3 2 by 5 in improper would be 17 by 5.
Times 4 by 7.
Yes, ma'am.
Now tell me, can this 17 be simplified with any of these?
Ma'am, then you have to just do 17 multiplied by 4 would be 68 and 35. Then you have to simplify with that. 68 and 35. Then you can simplify.
That is the answer. Therefore, you can do it correctly if you pay attention on screen. And if you do it nicely, no? So the answers are correct, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So control your energy when you are sitting for a class.
Ma'am, I got it correct.
Good. Is it 68 by 35 only, Hariman beta?
Yes, ma'am. 68 by 35 only. But I didn't simplify it or anything, ma'am. So that's why. But either way, they can't be simplified.
So now we are discussing question number 4 of this.
All are homework, ma'am.
पहले question number 4 discuss कर लेंगे, then we'll decide.
Ma'am, please don't do more homework. I have a lot of homework. A lot.
Me too.
Beta,
so
tomorrow
much.
is a holiday from school, beta.
No, ma'am, it is holiday by school, but Sanskrit sir has given us 2 chapters to complete by
And ma'am,
tomorrow.
I have an assignment and I have a Hindi
In
assignment to
Hindi,
complete.
yes, ma'am, same here. Then I have maths homework. And I have
And
a
ma'am,
lot.
I also have to complete every
Hindi
subject.
chapter
Beta, देखो, when you want to excel in life, if you want to be something as great as your dads, as great as your parents. You will have to work hard. आपको क्या लग रहा है पापा लोग को आर्मी नेवी में पोजीशन ऐसा ही मिला होगा बिना मेहनत के?
Ma'am,
आप
it's not
सबके
that.
डैड्स रेप्यूटेड ऑफिसर्स है ना नेवी और आर्मी में, सबके ही है ना, कोई एक भी नहीं है सिविलियंस में से।
But
तो
ma'am, it's
आप
not
लोग को
that.
क्या लग रहा है पापा लोग को पोजीशन ऐसा ही मिल गया होगा बिना मेहनत के? तो दैट कंप्लीटली डिपेंड्स, आपको वैसा बनना है जैसा पापा है एक सेलिब्रेटेड ऑफिसर, वैसा बनना है तो वर्क हार्ड, नहीं बनना है तो इट्स कंप्लीटली योर विश। ठीक है?
Ma'am,
But
Sachi
ma'am-
Didi wants to join
Ma'am,
the
it's not that,
forces.
ma'am, it's that we take, it's that the
पहली
fact
बात
of
ना
time.
बेटा, take turns and speak. When someone's speaking, no, wait for that person to get over and then speak. बोलो प्रियांश, आप क्या कह रहे थे?
Ma'am, Sachi Didi wants to work in like Navy or Army or Air Force.
Yes, I know she wants to be a pilot.
Oh.
And when you want to become a pilot, it is like mandatory that you should be very good in mathematics and physics.
Ma'am, I was studying physics for the past 2 hours.
क्या साची बच्चा?
I was studying physics itself for past 2 hours.
Good. Yes, Ariman, you wanted to say something? You're muted, बच्चा.
Mike has always.
Ma'am, it's not that, ma'am. It's just that, ma'am, most of the time I don't have enough time because I take way too much time while doing homework, ma'am, for some reason. So, ma'am, I don't have enough time to do any other thing. Because then my schedule gets.
बच्चे देखो, जितनी मेहनत करोगे उस हिसाब से रिजल्ट आता है. This is directly proportional. The results are directly proportional to the efforts, बेटा जी. So now that matters कि आपको कितना रिजल्ट चाहिए. तो अपनी हंगर को समझो फॉर एजुकेशन, अपने पर्पस को समझो ऑफ एजुकेशन. Why are you people studying? What do you want to become when you grow up?
I'm very.
And then गोल के लिए एक्शंस को डिसाइड करो.
Ma'am, I'm very.
अगर आपको लग रहा है कि you want to be a celebrated officer, उसके लिए you'll have to work vigorously. Okay? So school का homework I know is a formality that you need to complete. We cannot help but do that. So you should find time somewhere, 1 hour at least, to practice your maths and science daily. Got it or not?
Ma'am, I have that between like 8 o'clock. Yeah.
You can do it any time of the day, beta. But do it with the consistency. Every day 1 hour should be there. Okay? Chalo, abhi let's do the fourth question really very quickly and we'll wind up for today then. So question number 4, we are solving 2 by 7 of 3 by 4. They are actually asking us to compare, hai na, which is greater, which is smaller. That means they're asking you to compare two numbers. So what are those two numbers here? One is this one, another is this one. So I'll make one line to write the next one, 3 by 5 or 5 by 8. And now how to solve this? 2 by 7 of means multiply 3 by 4. Let's do this first. Can this be simplified? Ariman, you tell me. Can this be simplified with any of the denominators?
Ma'am, can we simplify it by 4?
What should I write when I cut 2 and 4?
Ma'am, 2 should be 1 and 4 should be 2.
Very good. And can this 3 be simplified with any of the denominators now?
No, ma'am.
So that means multiplying is the only task left. So 3 times 1 and 7 times 2 is 14. Correct or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now next one Priyansh will do for me. 3 by 5 or 5 by 8. Priyansh, tell me.
Ma'am, 5 will be done, so the answer would be 1, both the sides, and 8. No, ma'am, 3 and 8 cannot be done.
So that means what is the final answer?
3 ones are 3, and the answer would be 8. Down, below.
So 3 by 8 is the final answer, right?
Yes, ma'am.
गुड प्रियांश. देखो करते हो ना ठीक से तो रिजल्ट आता है ना. तो ध्यान से थोड़ा सा पढ़ाई किया करो. जब भी शरारत कर रहे हो ना, खुल के करो। जब भी पढ़ाई कर रहे हो, फुल मेहनत से करो, अपना फोकस मत जाना। जब भी फुटबॉल खेलते हो तो फुल फोकस से फुटबॉल खेलते हो ना। प्रियांश फुल फोकस से फुटबॉल भी नहीं खेलता।
I only play tennis. Hardly.
Ma'am, I don't even
जो
play
भी
football.
काम करो ना बेटा, हर टाइम फुल फोकस से करो। जब भी खेल रहे हो खूब अच्छे से खेलो, जब भी पढ़ाई कर रहे हो गिव दैट कंप्लीट 1 hour टू योर स्टडीज। अपना पूरा फोकस मेंटेन रखो। ओके, रिजल्ट डेफिनेटली आता है बच्चे। ओके
Okay.
चलो, now I'll post your homework and classwork in the group. Classwork and homework is completing exercise
Homework,
2.1 question number 8. Question number 8 we did 2.1 ka, and this 2.2 from question number 1 to 4, and all those try these in between you need to complete. Okay,
As homework.
as your classwork and homework both beta, you need to complete this as your classwork and homework all together. Okay,
We have
Yes.
to sit it together till Monday.